Hi, I'm Arya Raman, and I took CrackQ's daily test series in the month of February, and then gradually I took the whole package of CrackQ. So this was my third attempt, and I was as I was working, so I needed something that I could manage with my work. So CrackQ daily test series was very helpful because it was letting me, revise everything and keeping me on track of everything that I don't miss any peculiar things out of like light subjects and like which have like if you don't know the formula you won't be able to solve that. So that was the main thing, but Kraku's pedagogy was so good, like the questions like in quants, like when even though I am from engineering background, but still like how to solve it fast and everything, and don't get confused with questions and how to pick questions was thing that I liked really most about Krakow, how to pick up the questions and how to solve it. And I was really haunted by LRDI, and this time I'm scoring around 39 in LRDI, so which is around 99.3 percentile. Let's see what the results comes out, but yeah, it will be above 99 percentile in LRDI. So Kraku's difficult questions and also medium questions really helped me to like settle everything down. Like even if the paper comes like very difficult, I know like I will be able to solve it. And if it comes easy, then obviously we have some dash cards which were easy. So like how to increase your attempts when the paper comes easy. So like it was a complete whole package, like whichever situation comes up, you will be able to handle it. So that's what I liked Kraku the most. And also like how Maruti says, like how he solved the question, the approach, and how he explains the approach also. Like he just doesn't jump on the question, he tells us like if this is the question and this is how you'll approach it. And Sally Ma'am's VARC was like how can I say, like kind of light enlightenment type of thing, like how you approach the questions, how you understand what is happening inside that. So I want to like thank you, the whole Crackio team, for this, and I'll highly recommend Crackio. Thank you.